Sale here, sale there, Black Friday offer, pre-Christmas sale, everywhere. Hello everyone, here is Lily. Today there's a lot of sale everywhere. And I'm tempted again to order a bag for my daily use. So let's do the quick unboxing about this bag which I ordered from Passionate website. It was delivered by the DHL and it's wrapped only like this. Oh, there's no bags inside as you can see. It's just in plastic bag inside the box. So let's open it and check if everything is okay. This bag called Willow camera bag. It's the same like Cassie camera bag, only it's smaller. This camera bag is the model Willow. It is made of 100% leather. It has one packet in the front, two, the big packet which we open and we have to empty it first. Oh, this is the dust bag in white like satin. It's shiny. Burgundy nylon lining inside. Now all the paper is out and we check it. How many packets it has? 1, 2, the big one, 3, 4, the second one, and a small one, plus one at the back side. It has this brass metal zip and front closure is also 100% brass. A beautiful hanging tags, also in leather. I am petite, that's why I love crossbody bag, especially when the shoulder strap are detachable and adjustable. So we'll fit it later, but first we have to put all this plastic wrapping here around. The Coach logo is also in brush and it's turned lock. Also the leather is very soft. At the back side it has no feet.